Hey my PYTs, I just want to give you a little review, not a tutorial now, but a review on this beauty here. This is the Freetress, whoa, can't say that. This is the Freetress Wavy Gypsy Locs. As you see, this is beautiful, honey. It's beautiful, and I used the Freetress Crochet lace wig cap, and it has combs, so I used that to actually install the hair. I didn't braid it and put it on my hair. I actually used a actual crochet, I should say, a crochet wig cap. Oh my gosh, help fix it, Jesus. I actually use the Freetress crochet lace wig cap. Here's the lace right here, and so that's the way I installed the hair. I didn't install it on my actual hair, but with the wig cap. So let's get into some facts about this hair before I get into my pros and cons. Okay, some of the facts are, this is 18 inches. So that's what it is, 18 inches. As you see, we have some color in there, which of course this right up here is a 1B, and then right here it is a 99J. So I put multicolors in there. My first time really doing a 99J, and it's a pretty color. Let's see if I can get a little close up for you without showing up my nose and stuff. So this is the 99J look. It took about 2 hours to install the whole thing on the wig cap. It was fairly easy because it's pre-looped. This hair is beautiful. It's pre-looped. You could easily just install it quickly. With the basic thing is with the wig cap, I was able to do my thing, watch my TV, crack up at it, key at Blackish while it was on or whatever on a Tuesday night, as I just crochet the hair on a mannequin head with the wig cap. The price of it for both the 1B as well as the 99J, they both was $9.99, and that was with 2 bundles inside of it, so you get one for the 2 in there, which is 36 braids altogether in 1 pack. So it's the double times 2 whatever pack for $19.99 at your local beauty supply store. At least my local beauty supply store was $9.99. So that's that. How I installed it on the wig cap is I did 2 finger lengths with 2 finger lengths apart. Sometimes I did 3, and it still is so super full even when I did that. So that is another issue with doing the wig cap, is it gets extremely full. And maybe if you did the cap that is already pre-braided on the cap, maybe that will work. But this one is the one that's ventilated with the larger holes on. Like I said, it's the Freetress crochet lace wig. So that's that. Some of the pros. Let's get into the pros now. It's, like I said, it's easy to install because it's pre-loop, and the loop is amazing. You have no problems because of that. This mo is so soft, honey. It's like a baby's booty. It's very soft and beautiful. Lightweight. So regardless of how thick it is right now on my head, it is still very lightweight, despite the fact that it's full. It's very full, but lightweight. Like I said, can't stress that enough, lightweight. I don't know if you can tell, but it's very natural looking. The dreads, very, very natural. It looks like if you install it on your hair, you know what you're doing. This thing can look like it's just growing from your roots. It is very natural looking. It's beautiful. Also, as I was installing it, I had to take some out. So that was not that difficult to uninstall some of it so I can make it less full. So that's a beauty part of it as well. On back of the instruction, hopefully I have a picture for you somewhere in this area, where it shows you how to wash it. So I haven't done it yet, but apparently it's pretty well reusable as long as you like wet it with just cold water, or what have you, and just let it air dry. You can just reuse them. Like I said, it was easy to take down as well, so I can see that, like, if you do the wig net thing and you can just every so often just take it out at your leisure and you can reuse it. Get that $9.99 back. Get that money's worth. Boom! And it does not stink. It does not stink. It doesn't smell horrible, and it does not itch. So, yeah, just a few more, just want to give you that few little more tidbit, because I know sometimes, I don't know about you, but with me, the hair can get very itchy on my neck, and I'm not having that problem. And if you do, then I will advise you to wash it first to get some of that chemicals out. Like I said, just, a little cold water, whatever, get some of that chemicals up, strip some of that chemicals off the hair before you install it. But I had no problem, and my neck is sensitive, okay, and I had no problem, so hopefully you won't either. So let's get into some of the things that is a con, some of the negatives. Now, remind you, I use a wig cap. So if you install this on your actual hair, this may not be a problem for you. May not be problematic at all if you do not use anything far as a wig cap or anything like that. So one of the bad things about this, for you it may be cool, for me it's not. It's hard not to make the hair very full. So that's one of the things, one of the negative things about using a wig cap, is that it's hard not to get the wig full without seeing the lace. Another thing is, like, it's hard to wear it where it's not tucked over to the side and your off to the side. And so as you see, if I don't do that, it's all in my face. So, and this wig cap is meant for the side parting, but I mean, if you put it onto the side, I have not mastered. So if you even put it to the side, not only look like Bob Marley, it will still be all in your face. So the best thing to do is to style it and like put it like some of it put in a ponytail in the back, or whatever. And you can, if you want to, you have to use real big bobby pins, but you could probably pin it up as well. But you cannot, brings to another negative thing about using the wig cap. It will be very hard to actually use the wig cap if you're one of those people who want to use this as a way to just put it in a high ponytail. As you can see, there's combs, but it's not going to stay down to where it does not look wiggish, and you won't see a little bit of the net right there. So if you do that, then that's where you're going to be left with the little lace showing. So it's going to be hard to pull up all the way into a ponytail. So that's one of the things that I didn't like about this, using the wig cap. Just a bit, is you're not going to be able to pull up in a ponytail, or even just wear it down naturally without being all in your face. Like yo, I look like Cousin It from the Addams Family right about now. No matter if I had a side part or not, I look like Cousin It. Dang, having it. So it's best to me to install these things on your actual hair. Braid your hair and install it that way. Like I said, if you use the already braided wig cap, crochet wig cap. Maybe that'll work. But and also to give you some, so here are some of the facts about the wig cap in case you want to do it still and try it out for yourself. It's on you. But so like I said, it's the Freetress crochet lace wig cap. I promise I'm gonna get it right one of these good days. It has a 5-inch lace up here at the front. Right part is supposed to be, it fits to where it's a right part, a right side part. So that's why I mostly have it on this end, on this side, because that's what it's meant for. There's 3 combs in here. There's like one more towards the, you know, side, and then there is one in the back, and whatever. So there's 3 on here somewhere. I can't find a girl, I'm sorry. And then it has an elastic band, so it helps to not slip as well. So that's that. It's not an adjustable strap, so that's kind of a bad thing about it. To me, to go along with that, this is not, to me, this is not really like big girl head friendly in my opinion. You could probably put it on your head, but you probably have a lot of headaches because it's going to press so much on your head. My head is really not that big, not that small. So, and it's, if I had to guess, it's more like a medium-sized head type of wig cap for those who have a little bit more of a medium-sized head like myself. Or if you're natural and you have a lot of hair that you got to tuck away, I would say maybe if you do have a bigger head, just make sure you have smaller braids before you install this or purchase this, okay? Like I said, it has a no slip. It's like with this, what I like about using the net though. So I don't know if y'all know about this beauty right here. Oh, all right. That was a lie. I don't know if y'all know about this beauty right here, but it is the no slip wig grip. Oh my God, Jesus! No. Yes, Lord. Oh, I don't know who created whatever this thing right here, but it is amazing. So if you, though it's a it's meant as a no, even though it's a no slip anyways, it's designed so it won't slip off your head or anything like that, which is really is good because when you tug on it, it does move. But I'm telling you, if you use this bad boy right here, it will secure that thing a lot more. This is usually what I put on it, but for review purposes, I did not wear it right now. But this mug right here is a beauty. Don't sleep on it. This is the wig band. I got this from Amazon. I got this on Amazon for about, I don't know, $14. Maybe less than that. Somewhere between $14 and less dollars. So yeah, it's amazing. As long as you put it on correctly, it's a beauty. So anyways, that is my review on, see, it's all in my face still. That is my review on the Freetress Wavy Gypsy Locs. Until next time, people, make sure you keep God first. Peace.